Hello everyone, welcome to LIN Europe's YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about hair loss products. Let's see if hair loss treatment products are safe or not. Stay with us to learn more. So first of all, not all hair products are created equally. From shampoos to serum, the market is full of miracle solutions, but many of them lack clinical backing. As LIN Health, we warn our patients, always check for dermatologically tested, medically approved ingredients. What's on the label is not always what's safe for your scalp. You also need to be aware of harsh chemicals and false promises. Some over-the-counter products contain sulfates, parabens, and also synthetic fragrances that can irritate your scalp and worsen your hair loss. Others promise regrowth in like 7 days, but real treatments take time. As LIN Health, we educate you on what works and what's just clever marketing. One thing that you need to look for is FDA or CE approval. Safety starts with certification. We only recommend products with FDA or CE approval, meaning they have passed strict safety tests. Whether it's minoxidil or finasteride or a scalp serum, at LIN Health, we guide you towards solutions with real scientific validations, not just trendy packaging. The next thing that you need to pay attention to is personalized products, which results in safer results. What works for one person might not work for another. Hormonal factors, skin sensitivity, and hair type, they all matter. That's why at LIN Health, we offer personalized scalp diagnostic and tailor a safe product that is tailored to specific needs, especially for women or afro hair or sensitive skins. Also, hair transplant patients need special care. After a hair transplant, not all products are safe to use. LIN Health provides a complete aftercare kit with mild shampoo, healing foam, and growth stimulating serums, all tested and approved for post-op use. Using the wrong product can damage new graft and affect the results. You also need to talk to a medical expert, not just social media. At LIN Health, licensed specialists guide you through every stage, from early hair thinning to advanced transplant care. Before you apply anything to your scalp, ask a doctor, not an influencer. So having said all of these points, the most important thing is that you need to pay attention to whether the product is certified and whether it is in line with your needs. At LIN Europe, we will guide you through every stage, making sure all of your needs are met. Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, you can like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments in the comment section below. See you next time!